Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a date stamp over any of the PDF file. This is a free method and you can use it over any browser you want. Just simply open any browser over any device and search TinyWow in the search bar. Once you search it, open the first website that appear right in front of you, and once the site gets loaded, just simply go to the option which is PDF tool. Once you go to the PDF tool option, here you can see this option which says edit PDF, and let it gets load. Once it gets loads, it will ask you to upload the PDF that you want to edit. And now here I'll upload a dummy PDF that I want to make changes. Now here you can see this option, and here only you can see this option which says date. Once you do that, a current time date stamp will add on your PDF file. You can place it anywhere you want. Even you can change the text format, the font type, or the size, and anything. Once you satisfied with it, just simply hit enter. Now you can see a date stamp has been added to your PDF file. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.